Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on calculating area. Area is the measure of the amount of flat surface which is contained within the boundaries of a flat shape. The shapes we will look at in this video will have straight lines. Units of area. If a shape has dimensions which are stated in centimetres, the area is stated in square centimetres. If a shape has dimensions which are stated in metres, the area is stated in square metres. If a shape has dimensions which are stated in kilometres, the area is stated in square kilometres. The square unit. Area is measured in square units. So let's have a look at this square which has a length of 1 centimetre and a width of 1 centimetre, and the other two sides are the same. This square has an area of 1 square centimetre. In short, A equals 1 square centimetre, and that's how you write 1 square centimetre in the shortened form. Here is a square with measurements 1 metre by 1 metre. The area is 1 square metre. Here's another square with measurements 1 kilometre by 1 kilometre. The area is 1 square kilometre. So for the area of a square, the formula for the area of a square is area equals S squared, where S is the length of the sides. Remember, all sides of a square are equal. So let's look at the first example. Find the area of the square with sides 4 centimetres. So area equals 4 centimetres by 4 centimetres, which is 16 square centimetres. And all it's doing is just following this formula here. Example 2. Find the area of the above flower bed. Now this is a flower bed in the shape of a square. So the area is S squared, which is 2 metres by 2 metres, which is 4 square metres. The area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is the area equals length times the width. Excuse me, and the measurements we use are square units. Here is a rectangular garden bed. It has a length of 3 metres and a width of 2 metres. The area of this rectangular garden bed is area equals 3 metres by 2 metres, which is 6 square metres.